Ahoy, shipmates! You find me this afternoon down in Queen Victoria Country Park, right on the edge of Southampton water. There is a cafe here called the Cedar Rooms, which has recently undergone some renovations. It does look rather nifty. Now, I thought I'd pop in because there's been some discussion on the channel about a certain English afternoon pastime. That is, of course, scones. I ordered myself a cream tea, where you get some scone, some clotted cream and a pot of jam. And here I applied it in one of the two manners. That's either cream first on the left with jam on top, or on the right, jam first with clotted cream on top. This has been a tradition to have a cream tea in England since the 11th century. The question is, which way do you prefer? The Devon method, which is just cream first and then jam on top, or the Cornish method, which is jam and then clotted cream on top of that? Apparently the Queen prefers it jam first, clotted cream on top. But there was a few shipmates asking what we were talking about a while back, so I thought I'd make a little film here, show you exactly what a English cream tea looks like. Also comes with a pot of tea. But that's not really to my liking, so I opted for something else. A lovely pint of Tomb Bar. Until next time, shipmates. I think I got away with the scones and scones thing as well. I was lucky.